We've all been there, waking up on a guest's sofa bed, feeling like you spent the night wrestling a bag of metal springs. After my sister refused to visit because my pull-out couch ruined her back, I knew I had to fix it. But finding a sofa mattress that doesn't feel like a torture device is surprisingly hard. Most are either too thin or trap unbearable body heat. Today, I'm revealing the ultimate sofa bed mattresses to transform your guest room, including one that feels like a luxury hotel bed. Let's count them down. 7. Biteany 5-inch Mega Support Memory Foam Queen Mattress Topper. When I first pulled this out of the packaging, I was genuinely hopeful because 5 inches of thickness sounds like it should provide a massive upgrade to any existing flimsy sofa bed setup. The memory foam felt substantial in my hands, and the breathable bamboo cover had a nice premium texture that suggested it would keep my guests comfortable. Unfortunately, my real-world testing quickly revealed that thickness does not always equate to proper support. The immediate issue I encountered was the foam density. While it initially feels plush and inviting when you first lie down, the foam gives way entirely too fast. Within 20 minutes of resting on it, I found myself sinking straight through that massive 5-inch profile, right down to the uncomfortable sofa bed mechanism underneath. It creates this bizarre quicksand effect where you are technically surrounded by foam, but still feeling every single metal bar of the frame pressing into your lower back. Another frustrating aspect of this Biteany topper is its inability to stay put on a sleeper sofa frame. Sofa beds are notoriously slippery, and despite the cover, this topper shifted dramatically every time I tossed and turned. I constantly had to readjust it in the middle of the night, which completely defeated the purpose of trying to get an undisturbed night of rest. It behaves much more like a loose sleeping bag pad than a permanent mattress solution. Finally, the heat retention on this model was surprisingly aggressive, despite the manufacturer's claims about a breathable cover. By the middle of the night, the trapped body heat made the sleeping experience incredibly stifling. 6. Zinus 4-inch Green Tea Memory Foam Mattress Topper Sofa Bed Pad. Zinus is a massive name in the affordable mattress game, and their green tea infusion is heavily marketed to keep the foam smelling fresh. Out of the box, it expanded relatively quickly, and I did appreciate that it lacked that harsh chemical off-gassing smell that usually plagues budget memory foam. It fit the dimensions of my standard sleeper sofa perfectly, which gave me an initial boost of confidence about its potential. However, the performance over a full night left a lot to be desired. The 4-inch profile is split between memory foam and a denser base foam, but the top layer is incredibly soft. When I sat on the edge of the sofa bed to take off my shoes, the foam instantly compressed to less than an inch. This complete lack of edge support means your guests will feel like they are sliding off the bed if they roll too close to the sides, severely limiting the usable sleeping surface. Once lying flat, the green tea foam provides a decent contouring sensation for the first hour. It hugs the shoulders and hips nicely, which initially feels like a massive upgrade from a standard spring mattress. But as the night progresses, the foam suffers from severe heat softening. As your body warms the material, it loses its structural integrity, causing you to sink deeper and deeper until your spine is no longer properly aligned. I woke up with significant stiffness in my lumbar region. The durability of this Zinus pad is also highly questionable based on my testing period. After folding the sofa bed away with the pad inside. 5. Classic Brands 4.5-inch Innerspring Replacement Mattress. This is where we shift away from foam toppers and get into actual replacement mattresses. And the difference is immediately noticeable. I was intrigued by the idea of putting traditional springs back into a modern sofa bed, and this model delivers a surprisingly robust, traditional feel. Unboxing it was simple, and the quilted cover gives it a beautifully classic look that instantly elevates the appearance of the guest bed. The real standout feature here is the bounce and responsiveness that only steel coils can provide. When I tested this mattress, I loved how easily I could change sleeping positions. Unlike the quicksand feeling of the cheaper memory foams, this Innerspring model pushes back against your body weight, providing active support that keeps your spine aligned. The The coils are densely packed, which effectively masks the feeling of the metal support bars running underneath the sofa frame. I was also thoroughly impressed by the temperature regulation. Because the core of this mattress is made of steel springs rather than dense foam, air circulates freely throughout the entire structure. I slept noticeably cooler on this classic brand's mattress than I did on the previous foam options. The quilted top layer provides just enough cushioning to prevent you from feeling the individual springs, striking a really nice balance between firm support and surface comfort. While it is much better than the previous options, it's worth noting that a 4.5-inch spring mattress does have its limits. Heavier individuals might still push the springs near their maximum compression limit, which can lead to minor pressure points on the hips for side sleepers. Four, DHP 8-inch independently encased coil futon mattress. Now I know the word futon might make you think of cheap college dorm furniture, but this mattress completely shatters that stereotype. When I heaved this onto my frame, the sheer weight and thickness made it obvious that this is a serious piece of bedding. The 8-inch profile makes it the thickest mattress on our list so far, and that extra depth translates directly into remarkable comfort. The magic of this mattress lies in the independently encased coils. When I lay down, the coils reacted specifically to the pressure points of my body without transferring motion across the entire surface. If you have couples sleeping on your sofa bed, this feature is an absolute lifesaver. When I placed a glass of water on one side and pressed heavily on the other, the glass barely moved. The motion isolation here rivals standard primary bedroom mattresses, which is incredibly rare for a sofa bed setup. Surrounding those impressive coils is a generous layer of high-density foam and a beautiful microfiber cover. The foam completely insulates you from the internal hardware, making it impossible to feel the springs beneath you. I spent several nights testing this one, and I never once felt the dreaded crossbar of the sofa mechanism. The medium firm feel is universally appealing, meaning it will easily satisfy the vast majority of your house guests, regardless of their preferred sleeping position. The only caveat with the DHP is its sheer bulk. At 8 inches thick, you have to verify that your specific sofa bed mechanism can actually accommodate and fold up with a mattress this substantial. In my testing, it took a bit of extra elbow grease to tuck it away. 3. Milliard 4.5-inch memory foam replacement mattress. Milliard has built a sterling reputation in the specialized mattress space, and testing this model showed exactly why. Right out of the box, the quality of the jacquard cover caught my eye. It is fully removable and washable, which is a massive bonus for a guest bed that might see sporadic use, occasional spills, or dusty storage periods. The construction of this mattress is where it truly shines. Milliard utilizes a bi-layered design, featuring 3 inches of firm polyurethane base foam topped with 1.5 inches of soft memory foam. When I tested it, this ratio proved to be the ultimate sweet spot. The firm base acts as an impenetrable shield against the metal bars of the sofa frame, completely neutralizing them. Meanwhile, the top layer contours perfectly to your body, offering incredible pressure relief for your shoulders and hips. I was particularly impressed by the durability of the foam density. Unlike the cheaper foam pads that bottomed out, the Milliard mattress maintained its structural integrity all night long. Even when I sat directly on the edge to read a book, the mattress supported my concentrated weight without collapsing to the frame. It delivers a medium-firm sleeping experience that perfectly bridges the gap between plush comfort and necessary orthopedic support. Another huge victory for the Milliard is how well it folds. Despite the dense, supportive base foam, the mattress easily yielded when it was time to pack the sofa bed away. It didn't fight the folding mechanism, and more importantly, when I unfolded it weeks later, the foam sprang back to its original shape almost instantly, with zero permanent creasing. 2. PlushBeds Memory Foam Sofa Bed Mattress. When you transition to PlushBeds, you are stepping into the realm of true luxury bedding, and my testing experience with this model was nothing short of phenomenal. The moment you touch the cover, you can feel the premium craftsmanship. It is made from a breathable, high-quality material that feels delightfully soft, and the entire mattress is CertaPure US certified, meaning it is free from harsh chemicals and heavy metals. Lying down on this mattress is an experience in pure pressure relief. PlushBeds has engineered a proprietary memory foam formula that somehow manages to be both cloud-like and incredibly supportive. As I settled into the mattress, I felt the foam gently rising to meet the arch of my lower back, eliminating any empty space and providing total spinal alignment. It completely absorbs the weight of your body, creating a weightless sensation that makes it shockingly easy to fall asleep quickly. What genuinely surprised me during my testing was the structural density. Sofa bed mattresses are notoriously thin, but PlushBeds maximizes every single inch of this profile. I intentionally tried to feel the metal bars underneath by pressing my knees and elbows deeply into the mattress, but the high-density support core completely deflected the pressure. It provides the kind of robust, unyielding support you would normally only expect from a full-sized 10-inch primary bedroom mattress. Furthermore, the memory foam used here has an incredibly fast recovery time. When you roll over, the foam doesn't leave you stuck in a crater like older memory foam technology. It snaps back into place, adapting to your new sleeping position instantly. This dynamic responsiveness makes tossing and turning effortless. 1. PlushBeds Sofa Bed Cooling Gel Mattress. If you want to permanently solve the problem of uncomfortable guest beds, this is the ultimate solution. I have tested dozens of sofa bed mattresses, and this model absolutely destroys the competition. PlushBeds took everything that made their standard memory foam mattress great and upgraded it with cutting-edge cooling gel technology, resulting in a flawless sleeping experience. The biggest flaw of traditional foam sofa mattresses is heat retention, especially when you are sleeping close to the floor or trapped in a fold-out frame. The moment I lay on this mattress, the cooling gel infusion went to work. It actively pulled body heat away from my skin, maintaining a perfectly neutral, comfortable temperature throughout the entire night. I am naturally a hot sleeper, yet I woke up on this mattress feeling completely cool and refreshed, which is a massive testament to its engineering. Beyond the incredible thermal regulation, the comfort level is simply unmatched. The gel memory foam layer acts like a custom mold for your body, instantly relieving tension in your joints, while the high-density base foam provides an incredibly sturdy foundation. The transition between the plush top and the firm base is completely seamless. I spent several consecutive nights on this mattress just to be sure, and I can honestly say I slept better on this than I have on many expensive primary bedroom mattresses. Finally, the construction quality guarantees that this will be the last sofa bed mattress you ever need to buy. The materials are incredibly resilient, effortlessly handling the aggressive folding and unfolding process without ever losing their shape or support capability.